Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to A.I.M.S Dare to Success YouTube channel. Today I wanted to discuss with you Senior Inter Maths to a Permutation Combination chapter. Very important, most wanted problems I wanted to discuss with you. Okay, my dears. So let us start today's question. Prove that 4nc2n divided by 2nc n value 1 into 3 into 5 and so on 4n minus 1 divided by 1 3 5 and so on 2n minus 1 whole square. This is the problem. So let us take LHS. What is LHS, my dears? 4nc2n divided by 2ncn. Here we must use NCR formula. N factorial. Here n means 4n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N value 4n minus r value 2n factorial into again r factorial. R value 2n factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is NCR formula divided by again you can use same to same 2ncn NCR formula 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n factorial into r factorial. Here r value n factorial. Okay, my dears. So numerator 4n factorial will be same to same divided by 4n minus 2n is 2n factorial into again 2n factorial divided by this 2n factorial will be same to same divided by 2n minus n is n factorial into n factorial. So this value can be written as 2n factorial divided by 2n factorial into 2n factorial is 2n factorial totally whole square. Okay, into this denominator value is going to numerator. N factorial into n factorial is n factorial whole square divided by this 2n factorial. Okay, my dears, numerator part as it is we have written and denominator part is going to numerator. Take reverse reciprocal. N factorial into n factorial whole square is going to numerator and 2n factorial coming into denominator. So totally this part we can write is 4n factorial into n factorial whole square whole divided by this 2n factorial whole square into 2n factorial. Actually you got one doubt, I think. 2n factorial 3 times, why you are not multiplying? So no need to multiply this part into inside. Okay, only these two terms you can expand and continue. Now I will take a new page. 4n factorial numerator is there, so 4n factorial can be written as 4n and decreasing 4n minus 1 and decreasing 4n minus 2 and decreasing 4n minus 3 and so on up to 1. Just you will take 4 numbers, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This part from numerator. If you have any doubt, once you can check it. 4n factorial decrease 1 number, 4n minus 1, 4n minus 2, 4n minus 3 and so on, last up to 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that this part will be same and you can expand this part only. So numerator n factorial whole square, numerator n factorial whole square as it is. Next, whole divided by 2n factorial whole square is available. So 2n factorial can be written as 2n, again decreasing 1 number, so 2n minus 1, again decreasing 2n minus 2, again decreasing 2n minus 3 and so on up to 1. 4 numbers, 4, 3, 2, 1 total ga whole square. Why? Because 2n factorial whole square. Whole square is as it is. Just I wanted to expand 2n factorial. 2n factorial is decreasing 1 number, 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 and so on, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Later, my dear, into 2n factorial. Okay, you will continue that part as it is, 2n factorial. After that, my dears, one more. From this part I want to take even numbers 1 bracket, odd numbers 1 bracket. Even numbers means 4n, 4n minus 2, later one more value 4n minus 4. So like that, even numbers 4n, 4n minus 2, 4n minus 4 and so on. From this also lastly even numbers 6, 4, 2 are the even numbers. Just 3 values you will take. After that they are in multiplication, so we have to split as it is. In odd numbers, 4n minus 1, next odd number 4n minus 3, again next odd number 4n minus 5, enough 3 numbers and so on. From these odd numbers 5, 3, 1, just you will take 3 odd numbers 5, 3, 1 and remaining n factorial whole square. Just we have separated numerator even numbers as well as odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers are separated. Coming to denominator also whole square as it is. Okay my dears, even numbers and odd numbers you have to separate them. So even numbers 2n into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 4, only even numbers and so on. Here even numbers 6, 4, 2, totally whole square as it is. Okay my dears, into, now you can write odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 2n minus 5 and so on, 5, 3, 1, totally whole square. As it is, odd numbers separated, even numbers separated and totally whole square completed into 2n factorial. Next my dears, from these even numbers I want to take 2 common. Why? Because all are having 2 only. So 4n can be written as 2 into 2n. 4n minus 2, 2 common, remaining value 2n minus 1. 4n minus 4 also 2 common, remaining value 2n minus 2 and so on. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Okay, all these numbers we are taking 2 common. Okay, from even numbers only. Odd numbers we are not having common, so as it is you will write, copy, paste 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 5, and so on, 5, 3, 1 into n factorial whole square. Just numerator we have taken 2 common from even numbers, and denominator also, my dears, inside of the bracket take 2 common from even numbers. So 2n, 2 common, 2 into n. Next 2 common, remaining value 2 into n minus 1. Next 2 common, 2 into n minus 2, and so on. 6 is 2 into 3. Next 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Next 1, 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Totally whole square. And remaining odd numbers, my dears, you will write as it is. Copy, paste 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5, and so on, 5, 3, 1 total whole square into 2n whole factorial. So next 2 common so many times. How many times you have taken 2 common? Means after taking 2, what is the biggest number? 2n is the biggest number. So you will write 2 keep power 2n. 2n is the biggest number. The remaining all are small numbers comparing with 2n. So 2 how many times compare, 2 how many times taken common? After taking 2, what is a big number after 2 taking common? That is, you can write in the power. Suppose 4 times common means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 4. We know very well, but here and so on we don't know, and this is a logic. Okay, after taking 2 common, the biggest value from this value is 2n. That's why 2 power 2n I want to write it. Okay, I hope you all are understanding. After that, after writing 2 power 2n, remaining values you will write it 2n. Okay, my dears, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, and so on. 2 went outside for common, remaining values 3, 2, 1. Okay, remaining as it is. Don't disturb values. 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 5, and so on, 5, 3, 1 into n factorial whole square, whole divided by denominator also inside of the bracket. After taking 2 common, big number is n. Okay, so that you can write 2 power n. 2 power n. After taking 2 common, the remaining value is n. Big number is n. Remaining all are small numbers comparing with n. So 2 power n you can write. If you want to take at a time power, 2 power n whole square. Okay, my dears. After writing that part, remaining values you will write it n, n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on, 3, 2, 1 whole square. Next remaining value 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5, and so on. 5, 3, 1 whole square into 2n factorial. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. So next step is here 2 power 2n will be same as it is. After that 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 and so on 3, 2, 1 is big number is 2n factorial. We will write it. Okay, 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 we will write like that. 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 and so on 3, 2, 1 can be written as 2n factorial. After that, my dear, same to same you can write it. 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 5 and so on 5 into 3 into 1 into n factorial whole square. Numerator completed. Next, whole divided by denominator value. Here 2 power n whole square, power and one more power, 2 powers multiplication, we get 2 power 2n. Later n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on 3, 2, 1 can be written as n factorial. N factorial is n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on 3, 2, 1 totally whole square. Okay, my dears, after that same to same copy paste remaining values. 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5 and so on 5 into 3 into 1 whole square into 2n factorial. Okay, my dears, now you can cancel from numerator and denominator values. 2 power 2n cancelled, remaining 2n factorial cancelled, remaining n factorial whole square cancelled. The remaining value you can write as it is. Okay, the remaining value from numerator 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 5 and so on 5, 3, 1 whole divided by denominator value 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3, 2n minus 5 and so on 5, 3, 1 whole square. Actually RHS is not like this. It is related to RHS but not exactly RHS. We will rearrange. Suppose, my dears, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you take like this, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This answer is 24. Suppose if I write small to big, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same value, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Like this, according to the question they have given you from small to big. Okay, we are having big to small, but RHS value they have given you small to big. So rearrange from small number to big number, 1, 3, 5 and so on. 4n minus 5, 4n minus 3, 4n minus 1. So lastly I can write directly big number 4n minus 1 whole divided by denominator also whole square as it is, don't disturb, but inside of the bracket big to small is there, but you can rearrange small to big, 1, 3, 5 and so on, 2n minus 5, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1. I can write directly big number 2n minus 1 totally whole square. So this is the RHS value. Okay, my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. This is a major important most wanted problem. I think students are feeling difficult. This is difficult for students. They want to feel like that. But don't feel. Now I want to go to next question, my dears. Next most wanted, I mean difficult for the students. For 3 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n, then prove that then prove that n minus 3 cr plus 3 times 3 times n minus 3 cr minus 1 plus 3 times n minus 3 cr minus 2 plus n minus 3 cr minus 3 equal to ncr. We can prove. This is the problem. This is the problem, but for getting this we need to use one and only one formula. I can write here, my dears. NCR plus NCR plus 1. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Otherwise, you can take NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. Anyone as your wish. Okay. Now I can start solution. First of all, LHS. LHS is N minus 3 CR plus 3 times N minus 3 CR minus 1 plus again 3 times N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus N minus 3 CR minus 3. This is the LHS. Okay, my dears. This part you will continue N minus 3 CR as it is. Okay, plus this is 3 times. So I can write like 1 plus 2. So 1 time N minus 3 CR minus 1. After that plus 2 times N minus 3 CR minus 1. This 3 can be written as 1 time plus 2 times. Like that, this also 3 times you will take 2 plus 1. Why? Because already we are having 2 times. So here also take 2 plus 1. So 2 times N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus 1 time. 1 time is N minus 3 CR minus 2. Okay, plus remaining value N minus 3 CR minus 3 will be same. Actually, total these all are N minus 3, R minus 1, R minus 2, R minus 3. But don't confuse this part as it is copy paste. This is like 3a. 3a can be written as a plus 2a. This is also 3b. You can take 2b plus b plus copy paste same to same. Okay, my dears. So here take 2 common from these two values. Now I am taking the new page. N minus 3 CR plus n minus 3 CR minus 1. After this, from these two values take 2 common. Okay. Plus 2 common remaining n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 CR minus 2. Completed, my dears. One second. R minus 2 plus, again I will show you, from after taking 2 common remaining values same to same, copy paste. N minus 3 CR minus 2 plus n minus 3 CR minus 3. In the previous we have written one formula. I can write one more time. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Otherwise NCR plus NCR plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. Anyone you can use, but I can take NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to just n plus 1 CR. Here R minus 1 means R is a big number, R minus 1 is a small number. You can remember like that. Okay, my dears, don't confuse. Okay, now here these two values, n is n minus 3, R is R only, R minus 1 is R minus 1 only, just n plus 1. What is n value, my dears? N minus 3 plus 1 as it is. See, what is a big number from these two? R. Okay, first part completed. Plus 2 into, again these two values you have to compare with this part. N is n minus 3. So what is the value? N plus 1. N is n minus 3. So plus 1. See here R. R means biggest number. From these two, what is the biggest number? R minus 1 and R minus 2, my dears. R minus 1 is the biggest number. Okay, copy paste. Plus these two values you can compare with this. What is n value, my dear? N minus 3. So n plus 1. N is n minus 3 plus 1. C. And what is the biggest number from these two values, my dear? R minus 2 and R minus 3. R minus 2 is the biggest number. In negative symbol, if number is increasing, that value is decreasing. So R minus 2 is the biggest number. Okay, my dears, next n will be same. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 CR plus 2 into, again same, n minus 3 plus 1 is n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 plus 1 is n minus 2 CR minus 2. Again this is a two part, left side one related one part, right side one related another part. So 2a can be written as a plus a, like that. N minus 2 CR will be same, plus this part can be written as n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus, again same, n minus 2 CR minus 1 plus last value n minus 2 CR minus 2. Just from this step to this step, just I have separated this a plus a, like that. Again these two values you can compare like this. Here n is n minus 2, R is R, R minus 1 is R minus 1. So n k n plus 1, like that. N minus 2 k n minus 2 plus 1. See, the big number is R. Okay, my dears, first two values completed. Next, last two values, n is n minus 2, okay, n ki n plus 1, or n minus 2 ki n minus 2 plus 1. See, the big number from r minus 1 and r minus 2 is r minus 1. Okay, my dears, for this n minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1. C r plus n minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1. C r minus 1. Again, this part you can compare with NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. n unte n plus 1. But n minus 1 unte n minus 1 plus 1. C, R and R minus 1 big number is R only. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, my dears. N, C, R. So once you can check it, is this RHS? Yes, NCR is the final RHS value. So we got the final answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. సో ఇంత ఈజీగా మనకి చేసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. క్వశ్చన్ అయితే బిగ్ లేదా టఫ్ అనుకుంటారు, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ టఫ్, మై డియర్స్. స్లోగా థింక్ చేసి ఫార్ములా అయితే ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫార్ములానే, దట్ ఈస్ ఎన్సిఆర్ ప్లస్ ఎన్సిఆర్ మైనస్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ ప్లస్ 1 సిఆర్. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో జస్ట్ వన్ టైం ఎన్ మైనస్ 3 ఉంటుంది, ఇంకో టైం ఎన్ మైనస్ 2 ఆర్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 అట్లాంటి వాల్యూస్ ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 3 ఓన్లీ. ఎన్ ఉంటే ఎన్ ప్లస్ 1 వస్తే, ఎన్ మైనస్ 3 ఉంటే ఎన్ మైనస్ 3 ప్లస్ 1. ఆర్ ఇంకా ఆర్ మైనస్ 1లో బిగ్ నెంబర్ రాయు, ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 ఆర్ మైనస్ 2లో బిగ్ నెంబర్ రాయు, ఆర్ మైనస్ 2 ఇంకా ఆర్ మైనస్ 3లో బిగ్ నెంబర్ రాసుకోండి. ఓకే my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. We will again meet you with new problems, most wanted important problems coming next video. So నచ్చినట్లయితే ఒక లైక్ కొట్టండి, నాకు కూడా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఉంటుంది. సో మై డియర్స్, ఏమైనా డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే మ్యాథ్స్ 1A 1B 2A 2B మీరు చూసిన వీడియోలో కింద కమెంట్ బాక్స్లో కమెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ఆ క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తా. సో టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్ బాయ్, హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతాకి జై, జై జవాన్ జై కిసాన్, హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే, టేక్ కేర్, బాయ్ బాయ్.